Hi everybody, happy Monday. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR. Do you see what I have? The golden arches. You can kind of see them right there. Yes, you guys, I got an adult Happy Meal today. I'm so excited. So today they just released these Happy Meals. I was actually the first person they said to order a Happy Meal today. So I thought there might be a line of people out the door like for Happy Meals, but I'm actually literally looking at McDonald's right now. I came over here to park in the shade. And so there's like, I don't even see a car in line right now. So there was like two people ahead of me when I was ordering, and she said I was the first person to order a Happy Meal or adult Happy Meal day. So I'm so excited. I think that this was, okay, I know this was 12 something, 12.59 or the receipt's somewhere. I don't know what I did with the receipt, but it's like, it was like under $13. So it's, you know, with tax, it was, let me see, the receipt's right here. It was $12.92. So the box itself is actually, for some reason I thought it was $9.99. So it was $11.99, and then with tax $12.92. Okay, so I thought it was $9.99. Okay, so let's start. I'm so excited with this unboxing, and I hope I got the golden nugget because I know that there is 7 total. One of them being the golden nugget. Now this is totally bringing me back to my childhood when I used to get Happy Meal toys, and this is so retro. This box is beautifully done. I love it. It has all the nuggets, the little Happy Meal toys that you can get. Oh my gosh, look at this side here. Now I haven't really taken a close look at this because I wanted to do this with you guys, this unboxing. There's a little McNugget in every one, it says. So these are like it looks like these are the ones from like the 80s, the original McNugget Happy Meal toys. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the box here. Isn't that so awesome? It's so like artsy looking. I love how they designed this. I love this. And it says there's a little nugget. There's a little McNugget in every one. Oh my gosh. So I totally remember, I got to find mine from like when I was a kiddo. I grew up in the 80s. I was born in 1980. So yeah, I totally remember the joy of Happy Meal boxes and getting the Happy Meal and all that. So here's the top view of it. And I'm so excited. I'm like you guys, I'm on pins and needles. I hope I got the gold one, but I'm excited to collect them all. So see, mix and match. And I did ask over here if I could buy them separately. Sometimes some McDonald's, not all of them, will let you buy the toys individually without having to buy all the boxes. So at this location, I wasn't able to, unfortunately. That's okay. So, but I'm going to keep trying. Because if I want all 6, and let's say if I get one in each box, and one separate, you know what I'm trying to say, like I was able to get one of each and not get duplicates, that's over $60, actually over $70 if I'm trying to get the gold McNugget one. So we'll see, but I'm enjoying this. So this is a lot of fun. Okay, so here we have the artist right here at the top. And I did a little research about him. I think he's a comedian and artist. There's a lot of cool things about this gentleman who designed the box, the Kerwin Frost box. So that's his name, and he designed it. And oh my gosh, so I'm pretty sure he designed the box, and then the McNugget toy in there. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up, and then here's what the bottom looks like. Okay, so here we go. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, here's what it looks like. Here's what it looks like. It is so, I have to say, this time around, the packaging is so, like, they did a really good job making it feel, I have to have a fry, you guys, excuse me. This is like, Okay, so they make it feel like, look at this. That's the Happy Meal toy. Can you collect them all, it says? This is so cool, you guys. Oh my gosh. Like, look at it sealed. Like, there's like no way to know what you're going to get until you get the box. Oh my gosh. So I could get Kerwin Frost, the McNugget. These are the options to get. Darla Waff, I don't know how to pronounce this McNugget. Uptown Mo, Dawn Bernice, Brick, Kerwin Frost, and Wafutu. I don't know if I'm saying it right. But yeah, these are all of the characters I can get. Oh my gosh. Okay, so, okay, then on the side it says, what does it say here? Welcome to Frost's Way. But you guys, it's actually in a box, not like a plastic wrap. It's in a box. I mean, this is like I feel like this could be a collectible. I don't know. And then here's the front of it. So it says, Kerwin Frost presents Big Nugget Buddies. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up now and let's see what I got. Okay, I'm so excited. And then I ended up getting, like I said, the thing I did get is I got hot mustard sauce and the sweet and sour sauce. So I got 2 sauces with my 10-piece nugget meal here. And so, okay, let's go ahead and open it up. It's sealed with a big McDonald's little seal there too. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. What do you guys think I got? I hope I got the gold one. I love that gold one. But I love them all. I mean, I'm so excited. I remember getting these as a kid, like I said, the little big nugget buddies. Okay, here we go. This sticker is kind of, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I'm trying not to like rip it open because I'm so excited, but I'm also wanting to rip it open because I want to get in there faster. You guys, it's wrapped in like tissue. Oh my heavens. Look at how cute that is. And there's a little thing here, but I want to see what this is. So it actually says Kerwin Frost, and it's got McDonald's wrapping. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's so much fun. It makes everything like it's like elevated in this McDonald's toy. Okay, here we go. I'll look with you guys. What did we get? What did we get? I don't think I got the gold one. Let's see. No, I didn't. I didn't get the gold one. Aw, but who did I get? Oh my gosh, so cute. You guys look. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me look at my little chart here and see who I got. Yes, so I got, I don't know if I can say her name. It's Wafutu. It's W-A-F-F-U-T-U. Wafutu. So she's got a princess crown on and she has a little McNugget buddy. And you know what's so interesting is this is the Happy Meal toy from last time in her pocket. Remember the Happy Meal toys from last time? That's what she has in her pocket, her little pouch. She's got a wand. I think she's a little fairy or like a princess. You guys, and you know what I love about these? Look at this, ready? The pieces come apart. So it's almost like, look at this. So it's just the McNugget right here. Oh, it's so cute, you guys. Look at this little McNugget. The little McNugget by itself. And then you can dress her up. So she sits in her little McNugget. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is like the cutest thing ever. So here we go, you guys. Look, see, it all comes apart. It's 3 pieces, and then it goes back together like this. Oh my goodness. It is so, I want to get more, you guys. Like, I'm totally wanting to get more. But look at the detail. I love her. She's going to sit on my desk. She's so cute, you guys. But I cannot believe that little Easter egg they did with putting the Happy Meal toy from last. And I forget the name of that collection. Remember the Happy Meal toys in the little guy right there inside her McDonald's pouch there? This is definitely like an Easter egg. Let me see here. They have put in here a little thing in there about her, I think. So it says there's a little like card in there. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's read this. So we have a little card showing Wafutu. I think I'm saying it right. Look at her. It's like a little princess card. And then the back says, let me show you the back before I read it real quick. There's what the back looks like. It says, dips in honey. Okay, so the pride and joy of Frost's way turns a frown upside down with a wave of a wand and a tilt of a crown. I love that. So, and it says, she's smart, brave, relentless, and strong, and always knows right from wrong. Oh my gosh. Her saying, I think, is yep-a-do. Yep-a-do. That's her, I think, her phrase, yep-a-do. And listen to this. This is so cute. This is the #1 of Can You Collect Them All? Kerwin Frost. This is so fun. Okay, like I'm really tempted to go back through the drive-through. I might even get another one a day. I don't know. But this is like really so fun, you guys. It's so fun. And then you get food. Like you get food, you get a toy, you get a beautiful box. I'm just like, I love it. It says, mix and match, yo buddy, check it out. We all swapped outfits. Can you tell who's who? So they all swapped outfits in this little story here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, because you could swap them out. Like you could put with each McNugget. And you know, I think they all have different faces. Yeah, so you could swap them out. That is so fun. Let me see. Yeah, they all, because one is like, Kerwin Frost has a mustache. And then Uptown Mo has different like they all have different features, like eyebrows. One has eyebrows, one has a mustache. And then the lady there, Brick, she has like sunglasses on. I mean, this is like so cute, but you can mix and match, like I'm saying, like put you know, the outfits on different McNugget ones. I'm just like, that is so fun, you guys. Okay, friends, so that is my unboxing. Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. I felt like a kid again, getting to get my own little Happy Meal toy. So amazing. And I really think this is cool that they come with a box. Like, that is amazing, because then I can put her back in there and then collect her and collect these and that type of thing. And I love that it has like the tissue. Like, how cute is that? It's not just like the tissue from like, you would, like, it looks kind of like this, the wrapping for like a hamburger, but it's actually tissue paper, friends. You see that? So it's actually tissue paper. So I think that's super cute little touch too, little like extra feature they added there. So, and then the card, her little trading card in there, so cute. And what all about her, like a bio about her. I think that is so super cute. And how she turns a frown upside down with a tilt of her crown and a wave of her wand. I mean, that is precious. So anyways, you guys, and I noticed that her crown has an M in it. I mean, that is just so cute. There's her wand. But you know, thank you guys so much for being here. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm probably gonna get another 1 or 2 of these. These are just so much fun. And let me know if you get the gold one. I would love to know if you got the gold one. How many are there? I don't know. I don't know how many gold ones are out there. And yeah, and I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my little lunchy here. And I really appreciate you guys being here. If you're new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe, and my returning family, a huge thank you once again for being here. I appreciate you all so much. Have a beautiful day. Have fun collecting these McNugget Happy Meal toys, and I will see you all, friends, and I will talk to you all in my next store walkthrough haul, or both. So till next time, take care and God bless you always, and we will see you very soon, friends. Bye. See you soon. Bye.